Greetings traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trade. Thanks to Mark the Meerkat standing in for me last weekend while we went off on our 25th wedding anniversary. But Janelle and I were in Northern California, video and pictures at the end. All right, so we're looking at the Spider weekly chart. Every bar is one chart or 1 week, and we're looking at a candlestick Japanese chart here. And if you notice, we were in this big symmetrical triangle. The big symmetrical triangle had these moving averages come in, and you can see the moving averages coiling together here, coiling together, coiling together. And then on this week right here, the week was March 27th. When that week happened, boom, we broke over the top of that upper trend line. And then we have been up, 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 and away. Guys, markets have been on fire. This is the weekly chart, but Thursday, Friday, very, very bullish. If you look here at the diamonds is still within the triangle. So the Dow 30 is still within the triangle. And but we try to go to these lows. We can't hold these lows. We rally back up. If it breaks out here, look for more upside opportunity. We're looking for a big move either up or down right here, guys. It's really, really important to be watching this. Tech stocks, because of AI and NVIDIA and AMD and earning announcements, guys, we have just been on fire. This thing has just been up, up and away. So the weekly chart back here, this was March 13th when we broke out, the week of March 13th, and it's up, and we did a high base, and now we're up, 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 up on the weekly chart. Very, very extended. If you look here at the RSI, we are very, very extended on the weekly chart. You know, the last time we were like right here, do you see this? We dropped. Last time we got over this purple area, we had a major drop. The time before we got over this area, we dropped. We're over that area quite a bit right now. This is a good time for this rally that we've had to relax, pull back, giving us opportunities to buy back in. Again, weekly chart, every bar is 1 week. Russell's 2000 still is within the symmetrical triangle and below a lot of the moving averages. We're caught up in the moving averages, but we're seeing relative weakness on small caps compared to what we're seeing on the S&P and what we're seeing in the NASDAQ. And with the Qs. Financials, if you look here, still in a symmetrical triangle, and it's having a hard time getting off the floor of this support line. If I go over here to the Russell 2000 again, it's on this support line, but it's starting to rally off of that support line. But wow, for the markets to really go bullish, I need small caps, Russell 2000, break above these moving averages, this trend line, and rally straight north. I need the financials to get off of this support level, rally back to this resistance, and break through that resistance. That's what needs to happen for the markets to really go bullish right now. US dollar weekly chart staying at this floor level. We had a few weeks going up, 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 but look for this to maybe relax here. It looks like we're getting ready to drop. US dollar on the weekly chart, we're getting ready to drop. Gold, we talked about this big bearish divergence. Watch out. And sure enough, the last few weeks, guys, just been bearish on gold and silver. Major support level. Rising 20-week moving average. Last time we got there, we rallied up strongly. We're at that area again. Silver. Major support level. Look for this to bounce. This could be bounce for gold and for silver. If it doesn't, we break back below these areas, that will be no good for gold and silver. But right now, it's looking pretty good, but we need the US dollar to drop for that to happen. VIX is almost at a 3-year low right now, guys. I mean, the last time we were down here at this level, I mean, puts us, you know, a 2-year low at least. But man, guys, we haven't been this low in a long time on fear and the VIX. A quick look here on the daily chart. The month's just getting started, so I don't want to look at the monthly. But look at, well, let's start with the spiders first. Go to the spiders. Thursday and Friday, guys, were just machine gunning straight up. Boom, boom, boom. Really, really strong. Looking nice. Pulling some oscillators indicators here. And everything is looking fairly strong on the daily chart. Diamonds, you go here, huge pop on Friday. We're at an area that's very, very bullish, but overbought right this moment as far as the Grok algo is concerned, Grok rock, but RSI is not overbought yet. Q's way up. This thing has just been on fire, guys, and since May, just going straight up for the most part. And we do have a sell signal on the Grok rock right here. Let's see what happened last time we had a sell signal. This sell signal there, it came down 1 week only, and then a couple weeks there, but then it rallied up. This sell signal, we had 2-3 weeks down right after that sell signal. So here, would it make sense after this sell signal that we're getting right now, and especially being RSI being overbought and way overbought on the MACD, would it make sense for it to pull back here? The answer is yes. A couple of weeks of pulling back wouldn't be so shabby. That's the daily chart. If I go back to the daily chart, a few days coming down wouldn't be too shabby rather. Russell's 2000 on the daily symmetrical triangle, boom, to the upside, looking really, really strong. RSI is fine. Everything's fine. Big positive tick on the histogram on the MACD. Russell's is looking really, really strong. Small caps are looking very, very strong. The financials, symmetrical triangle, boom, breakout. Guys, same thing. So this is giving me hope for the weeklies on the financials and the small caps, because remember, they were hanging down at the bottom of the trend line, but these guys are breaking out, saying that we should go north. So it's really, really good to see. US dollar down, 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 but look how it's getting some support here. Friday popped. What's interesting is the markets were all bullish, but we got a pop there, and that really put weight on the gold and silver. You can see this here. So will US dollar pop and go higher? If so, that means the markets will relax. So it's something we're watching for. US dollar is giving us a buy signal. Last time it gave us a buy signal, it had a major rally after that. So something we're looking at. Gold daily chart down at a major area of support, but will it hold? If it holds, look for it to rally. Silver is a bear pullback. This a couple of days dropping here wouldn't be too shabby. It's giving me a sell signal right here, giving me a sell signal. So something to be watching for. Remember the bearish divergence I was showing you guys? Bearish divergence here. Look what happened after that bearish divergence. Those things are really, really powerful. VIX, like I said, major support, but man, it's been a couple years since we've been this low, but we're almost in a buy area. You see this? If this ticks higher right there, we'll get a buy signal. So something we're watching for. Bitcoin, look at this on the daily chart, just chopping sideways, caught up in a triangle, a wedge, if you will, falling wedge. And that's where we're at. If you notice, I am at home. I'm in my casual clothes, and you don't see a video going right now, and that's simply because I am very casual. But I do want to show you a couple of videos here. This is my wife and I, Janelle, and we just celebrated our 25th wedding anniversary. Went back to Northern California near Eureka, up there near the Sequoia Forest. We went to Ferndale. This is the Trinidad area, and the coast there is beautiful. The cliffs around me right there, over 100 foot down. I love being there. Really, really cool. We frolicked in wine country. This is on the coast. This is the latest lighthouse that they have developed there in California. It also got damaged by a wave. Came up, smashed the light, knocked it out in February. This is Ferndale, California, where we stayed in the gingerbread mansion where we had our honeymoon. The town doesn't have any franchises or anything. The anniversary. And that's where we're at. Look at that. That's where we were. So that was just a little bit of a glimpse of what we were doing and where we're at. And I love the fact we went back to the hotel or the bread and breakfast where we had our honeymoon and did it 25 years later. What a great experience. We took 11 nights off and very much enjoyed it. Let me know how long you have been married or with your significant other down in the comments. I want to know. Take care. Catch you later. Guys, why are you still here? You're supposed to be gone.
while I still have you. If you haven't joined the 301 mentorship yet, seriously give that some serious thought. Mark the Meerkat's been trading a long time in the markets. As you know, I have too. We take people under our wing and we teach you what we do to trade in the live markets. We trade a significant amount of money on a day-to-day basis in the live markets ourselves. If you're going to learn from anybody, learn from us. It's the 301 mentorship program. We've been doing this a long time, and we're happy to help you. The algorithms, that's a no-brainer. Get in on that. Let the algorithms help you down the path. Education with specialized knowledge with trading algorithms makes you unstoppable. There you have it. Now, get out of here.